Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the ultimate hot chocolate brownie. First, let's get our dry ingredients ready. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of rich cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Don't forget to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Whisk these together well in a large bowl until they are fully combined and lump-free. This ensures an even texture for your delicious brownies. Next, we'll prepare the wet ingredients. Melt 1 stick or 1/2 cup of unsalted butter with 4 ounces of your favorite dark chocolate until smooth and glossy. Let it cool slightly, then whisk in 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once that's ready, slowly pour the wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Mix gently until everything is just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your brownies tough. Now it's time to bake. Pour your rich brownie batter into an 8 by 8 inch baking pan that's been lined with parchment paper for easy removal. Spread it evenly to the edges. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. A toothpick inserted should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Allow them to cool completely before slicing into 16 perfect squares. To elevate these to hot chocolate brownies, prepare a simple hot chocolate topping. Gently heat 1 cup of milk with 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of sugar until warm and combined. Pour this warm, comforting hot chocolate over your cooled brownies just before serving. Garnish with a dollop of whipped cream or a sprinkle of chocolate shavings for an extra special touch. These are truly irresistible. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to enjoy your favorite stories while savoring these treats, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.